Do you want your coconut wine? What do you bansagan?
Because your coconut wine you drink. Because me is Finnish.
Your
drinking.
You're drinking your coconut wine. Say
No
look want
drinking.
you.
No drinking wine because me is Finnish drinking. You is
Drinking
no.
or
Finish.
No, I not finish your drinking.
You are not finished because my eyes is talk to you.
okay. Understand?
You are not finished.
Once you finish your coconut wine,
You want
One, do you
finish
want
the
your-
car?
coconut, your what you want you.
Out you mean?
Look, do not English.
Want to, what you want you are strong, very strong your breast is water yo. What? What do you want your coconut?
Ang hubad to, ikaw may inom
What?
sa
Ay, what do you want coconut wine? Yes, you. What are the features? Coming. Understand?
Hey,
Hey you brother.
you're
What
drinking
do you want
coconut wine
What's yes?
because
your eyes are
my friends is
basta
no
water
drinking.
dispenser.
I no understand you. No,
Are you
no,
okay?
no
Okay,
understand
you're
talking my friend, no? Okay. You're drinking? No? Ay, because you're drinking
Because
my
you're
friends.
drinking your brother. Yours,
No?
your what says you but the one says you and like you.
You're wait, guys. You're wait, guys. Go back to you're
back
wait,
to the
guys.
higher, to the
Go
moon,
home to America. You're wait for because me is drinking wine.
Want to you're drinking your bansalan. You're drinking your bansalan. You drinking you hot sir stop with. Stop where coconut. Okay.
Okay.